Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file that they drew, and they can't get rid of these ends of this line. And I had a little bit of trouble, and I used Power Clip, which I don't normally like Power Clip, but this time it worked. You see, the thing about it, it's always a Power Clip. So let's just draw this thing so everybody will be on the same page. Take a three-sided polygon, holding down the control button, very important. And then let's take a 3-point curve line and go from right there to right there. Now I'm going to hold down the control button to get a perfect arc. I don't know, he might have changed the line a little bit, but this is the way I would do it. Then I'm going to use the same colors. I've already done this, so orange is still there. I'm going to fill that in, and I'm going to get the intersect tool, and I'm going to go from there to there, spreading them out, putting a little black in each end, and then bring in an orange twice. Whoop. That's pretty good. Now let's bring in a white in the middle. And then just see how it's at an angle, so take this handle and move it. That's pretty good. I'll be happy with that. Then let's just take a gray. Whoop. Let's make it a little bit darker gray than his. And you could do a little bit with that. Now, Control G, Control D. Get the rotation and put it on the node and rotate it. Well, we didn't put lines yet. Let's put a line around there. Tell you what, let me delete that. Make sure I only got one copy. I'm going to put that line around there and make it not thick enough. Probably 8 points. And there's our line. Now the thing is, when it rotates, those lines are going to be sticking over. Control D, double click, put it on the node, and rotate it 60 degrees. And then Control D, Control D. But see, this is what you get. And he needs to get rid of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it all and group it. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now let's get the polygon tool, set on 6-sided, draw a rectangle or a polygon. Let's rotate it 30 degrees so it'll be flat on top, and let's hit P. We got pretty close. Now you need to kind of zoom in like over here, because when you click on this, you need to be able to see this. Now hold down the Shift key, and let me make that black so we can see it better. And you can see I'm right. No, I'm not there yet. So I really got to zoom back out to get that handle. And I'm going to hold down the Shift key and bring it in. Now, I'm going to nudge that down. I'm going to take this as a group. I'm going to go to Object and Power Clip. I normally talk bad about Power Clip, but in this case, the intersect tool just doesn't work. Now let's take away that black outline, and now those sharp points are gone. The only thing I don't like a Power Clip is it's always a Power Clip. You know, you can't really do anything about it. You know, it's always going to be a Power Clip. But it helped in this case. Hope that helped him and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.